How to pay in Lazada using Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay in Lazada using Gcash. Begin by opening your Lazada application on your mobile device. Once inside the app, browse through the wide range of products available and select the item you wish to purchase using Gcash as your payment method. After choosing your desired product, tap on the Buy Now button to proceed with the purchase. If the product comes in different colors or variations, you will have the option to select your preference before finalizing the purchase. Then tap on Buy Now again. At this point, you will need to select Gcash as your payment method. Look for the payment options during the checkout process and choose Gcash from the list. Once you've selected Gcash, you'll be prompted to enter your Gcash details, including your mobile number or account ID and any necessary verification codes, then proceed to place your order to complete the purchase using Gcash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.